What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a night ride on these beautiful machines right here. It's the first time taking out this Can-Am Commander 1000. Look at the nice old beefy tires on there. And obviously the good old Polaris 900. The RZR 900, I should say. Yeah. It's gonna be a fun time. We're gonna be riding off of State Road 33 down there, kind of like on the far side of Groveland. So this place we were going to, we've never been to actually, but we've heard that there's like an abandoned haunted house out there. So what better time to go than at night, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's get it. Yeah. Pretty sure, yeah. I know, I'm not sure about this side, but I know over there, like on the Green Swamp side, I'm not sure, they're somehow connected, but I know people go hunting over there. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Alright guys, so we just made it. Yeah, we need a flashlight. Look at that shit.
They need to bring those and shine a light in there.
I know, you guys need to bring the side-by-sides over here. Look how bright that shit is. Look how creepy this house is, man. Hello? Anybody home?
Ooh, bird.
Oh shit. This shit is creepy.
I like that.
Look at that TV. Old ass TV, man. What was that? Look at that. Something's been living here.
I want to go in there. The door shuts behind you.
Yeah. I don't know. You ain't gonna walk over there? You don't want to see what's over there?
Hey, it's recording, right? Got sound?
How do I unscrew this?
That's how my nephew messed up the tire. Because he thinks he's Superman. I hope he don't cut it.
You don't have like a breaker for this thing?
Yeah, that big rasher that I sit in there?
Talking about this?
No, yeah, that. And it's got a socket on it.
Yeah, the socket don't fit.
It doesn't. It fits the black tool that you just put on.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I was halfway
Come on,
there.
you can tell. let me. Oh, mira, se apagó. So, okay, what do you think? You get a whole experience here.
Think
You almost sunk.
Yeah.
You got wet in that thing with the black water? Well, no water came in?
Yeah, it came in on the bottom, yeah.
Yeah, we got no problem in this one.
It's high up.
I think I made it now.
So my question is, how the hell we're gonna put this thing up to get the tire?
We're gonna all flip it this way.
Yeah, and someone is gonna put that thing in there fast enough to hold it. Okay,
I'm gonna do it.
you're gonna do what?
Put it in.
So after we took that tire off, we ended up putting air in it to see if the tire would hold air, and it actually ended up holding air, you know. And for it being completely flat, I was kind of confused how it was able to hold air. I think 2 days after this video was filmed, it's still holding air. So if anybody knows why it's doing that, let me know, because it had me really confused. So yeah, I think that's it for the video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I'll have another racing video coming out very soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time.